Top Pilot, what comes next?
Step 3. Put them in the correct recycling bin.
I know where the recycling bins are. In the laundry room.
Do you want to have it? Or need a stand? Right, I'll get there. Well, what I do? Do you want to share? You sure stand.
Great, but I could use your help figuring out which bin is for what. Which bin should I put the papers in? The blue bin? Why?
Over there.
Oh, it's got a picture of papers on it. Where do the bottles go?
Over there.
In the red bin. So the cans go in the
Over there.
yellow bin. Yes! How do we get them open?
I've seen my folks do it. You have to step on the pedal.
What's next?
Step on the pedal. That's just what Wolf told me to do on my training exercise. Thanks, Joshua.
Joshua, we're through with our chores. Are you ready to go?
Better hurry, Oso. The yogurt shop closes soon. Joshua has to leave in 7 seconds. 7. 6.
I'll get the cans.
5. 4. 3.
Whoa, I didn't know I could juggle.
2. 1. Assignment complete.
Thanks, Oso. Wanna come have some frozen yogurt?
No thanks, Joshua. I've got a training exercise to finish.